Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nescafe 3-in-1 coffee. First, you'll need a sachet of Nescafe 3-in-1, your favorite mug, and some hot water. Make sure your water is heated to the right temperature, ideally between 80 and 90 degrees Celsius, for the best flavor extraction. Carefully open the sachet, being mindful not to spill any of the contents, as each granule is packed with flavor. Now, pour the entire contents of your Nescafe 3-in-1 sachet into your empty mug. Next, carefully add about 150 to 180 milliliters of hot water. This amount ensures the perfect balance of coffee, sugar, and creamer. Stir the mixture thoroughly for at least 15 to 20 seconds. You want to make sure all the granules are completely dissolved, creating a smooth and consistent beverage. Once stirred, your Nescafe 3-in-1 is almost ready. If you prefer a sweeter or creamier taste, feel free to add a bit more sugar or milk to your liking. Some people enjoy a dash of cinnamon or cocoa powder for an extra layer of flavor. Allow your coffee to cool for a moment before taking that first delightful sip. Enjoy the rich aroma and comforting taste of your freshly made coffee. For the best experience, always use filtered water. It truly makes a difference in the taste of your coffee. Also, don't hesitate to experiment with different mug sizes to find your preferred strength. A smaller mug will give you a bolder flavor, while a larger one will be milder. And speaking of great things, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other exclusive deals we've gathered for you. Happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.